Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Schedule 1 crashing, not loading on PC. First, run as administrator, right-click on the Schedule 1 shortcut or .exe file, select Run as administrator, disable antivirus and firewall temporarily. Some security tools may block game files. Add Schedule 1's folder to the exclusion list of your antivirus. Reinstall or repair. Verify game files. If Schedule 1 was installed via game platform through Steam, go to Library. Right-click Schedule 1, Properties, Install Files, and verify integrity. Through Epic Games, go to Library, click three dots under Schedule 1, and verify. Reinstall the game, uninstall the game completely, delete any leftover files from your disk, reinstall the game, and relaunch. System and driver fixes. Update GPU drivers. For NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience. For AMD, Adreno software. For Intel, driver and support assistant. Also install DirectX, Visual C++, Redistributables, and .NET Framework.